something that you can definitely take on. And the value to the business is that, as I mentioned, the value to the consumer is there's a level of excitement. People always want to try new things, and that's really great, but people also like consistency. So having a menu that is able to sprinkle in or pepper in different specials on top of the core offerings that the customers are used to, that's really, really great if you can do it and you can do it well, because this does require a lot of creativity. You have to know a lot about your costs and making sure that you're pricing the product appropriately, because a lot of times people don't do that even for their menu items that they have measurements on that they've used, for years and years. They don't even know what the product costs are. So you have to know that. You have to know how to train your staff on it. So you have to get to a place where everyone in the team who is preparing that product knows how to make it well and consistently. Because the downside is if that happens and you run a special and you say, hey, we got this new juice, it's on special, and guess what? It's inconsistent. Maybe it doesn't taste so good. You're losing money on it. Those are not good things, right? Those are obviously going to harm and hurt your business. So you want to make sure you overcome those elements.